Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about Ragnarok Monster World. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Ragmon. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-usapan natin itong si Ragnarok Monster World. Now, ano nga bang meron dito kay Ragnarok Monster World and also, paano nga ba kikita dito sa game na to? But anyway guys, disclaimer lang, I'm not a financial advisor or anything such. So, please make sure that you do your own diligence about making a research on the project before getting in. Alright? Anyway, isa sa mga subscriber natin naglalaro nitong Ragnarok Monster World. And sabi niya sa akin, i-testing ko daw kung papaano yung kitaan dito kasi sabi niya, may mga friends daw siya na naglalaro ng Ragnarok Monster World. So, syempre, out of curiosity guys, pinasok natin siya and somehow, nakuha ko naman kung papaano ang kitaan dito sa game na to. However, guys, ito yung kanyang platform. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, it's a bit different from the Ragnarok na nakasanayan natin, which is kasi yung mga Ragnarok guys is like an MMO type of game. But this one is like Clash Royale. So, kung naglaro na kayo ng Clash Royale, para siyang tower defense game. Okay, wherein you have to defend your tower and at the same time, you have to destroy the enemy tower para makakuha kayo ng mga rewards. So, let's jump into the game. Okay, so kiklik nyo lang tong start. Alright? So, pagka-click nyo lang start, actually may tutorial naman to once you install the app. But after you click start button, it will search for battle. It might take around 30 seconds minsan. Pinakamatagal na yung 1 minute, but that's kind of like how it works. So, after that, parang 10 seconds yung loading, ganyan, and then you just have to deploy your troops. So, mapapansin nyo dito, may mga set of cards tayo dito or meron tayong sariling deck na ginagamit para i-deploy and also para matalo yung kalaban. Now, yung set of decks na yan is gonna be random all the time. It's not always nalalabas yung ace card mo or yung pinakamagandang card mo. It's not always like that. Okay? Now, kung mapapansin nyo dito, once you actually defeated the enemy, you will be able to get reward. So, meron kayong XP na makukuha, may gold, which is the in-game currency as well, and also yung time bonus plus itong X-Zenny. Now, paano nga ba mag-earn ng X-Zenny dito sa Ragmon? So, based dito sa kanilang article, so merong article si Ragmon dito na kapag clinic nyo tong button na to, mararoute kayo dito sa page na to. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, para mag-earn kayo ng X-Zenny, kailangan nyong bumili ng Battle Pass. Now, depende yung ma-earn yung X-Zenny sa Battle Pass na bibilhin nyo. So anyway guys, meron naman tayong Battle Pass dito kasi out of curiosity, trinay natin. And so far, enjoyable naman yung game. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron na tayong na-earn na 63 na X-Zenny. But this is our limit. Alright, so kung mapapansin nyo din dyan guys, meron silang tatlong klase ng pass. So, Rare, Epic, and also Mythic Pass. So, ang binili lang natin dito is yung worth $9.99 which is around 500 pesos. So, makakakuha kayo ng mga additional benefits plus yung earning limit nyo. I think this is per month, okay? Kasi ang Battle Pass, nag-expire siya during the month na binili mo. So, kunwari, binili mo siya ngayon, okay, mag-expire siya sa katapusan. And mare-reset na naman siya the next month. So, kapag, kunwari, na-try nyo siya ngayon, dapat ma-meet nyo na yung 7,400 na X-Zenny para hindi din sayang yung Battle Pass nyo. But anyway, i-claim lang natin yan para makuha natin yung Battle Pass reward natin. So, may nakuha tayong Epic. So, ito. Now, since meron tayong nakuhang Epic na rarities, we can actually use it sa deck natin. So, para ma-fulfill nyo yung deck nyo, kailangan nyo magbukas ng mga chest, which is also makukuha nyo every time na you battle. So, let's try to open one. Okay, open tayo ng isa. Okay, so meron tayong nakuha dyang rare. Okay, bago yata yan. But anyway, meron na tayong chest slot. So, kapag nanalo tayo sa battle, pwede na tayong makakuha ng additional na chest. But I hope you get the idea, no? So the more battle you can do, okay, sa akin parang 3x Zenny yung nakukuha ko per battle. So, para mapunan ko yung 7,400, I think I have to do a lot of matches. Pero, mabilis lang din naman siya, guys. Okay, mabilis lang din naman siya kung tutuusin. Now, yung X-Zenny na ma-earn nyo, guys, is connected yan sa wallet nyo. Now, ganito naman, mag-create ng wallet sa cross wallet. Kasi cross wallet yung ginagamit natin para maka-cash out tayo dito sa game. So, tuturo ko muna sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng cross wallet.
So, ganito naman guys, pag mag-create kayo ng wallet sa cross wallet. So, after you download the app, i-click nyo lang tong agree to the terms of service and then click nyo lang tong create a new wallet. Now, kapag click nyo yan, may option kayo to use your social ID, which is yung Google account nyo or yung Apple account nyo. So, sa atin, Google yung gagamitin natin. Alright, para madali. And then, we're going to use our email address here. So, ginagamit natin is yung pang GameFi natin na email. Tapos, i-ask kayo na mag-set ng recovery pin. So, set lang natin yung recovery pin natin. Alright, so, naset na natin yung recovery pin natin. So, ganun lang kabilis. Tapos, tatanungin kayo kung gusto nyong i-enable yung biometric login nyo. So, pwede nyong gawin yan guys, para madali lang din. So, yes, I'll use it. And then, fingerprint sensor para you don't have to enter the pin every time. So, from there, created na yung ating cross wallet.
So, after nyo ma-create yung cross wallet, guys, is pupunta kayo dito sa website nila, which is ragmon.gg. And then, i-click nyo lang tong Go App. So, pagka-click nyo niyang Go App, lalabas na dito yung interface ni Ragmon. Ngayon, since naka-login na ako guys, okay, naka-login na ako dito gamit yung email address ko. Let's say for example, first time yung magla-login. So, sign out natin. So, sign out natin yan. Okay, kiklik nyo lang yung login. And then, pwede kayong mag-login using your Gmail account. So, sa atin, ang ginamit kasi natin is Gmail. So, lagay natin dito yung account natin. Ayan. And then, connected na tayo. So, after you connected your account, ang gagawin nyo na next dito is i-connect naman yung wallet nyo. So, click nyo lang tong inventory. Okay? And kung mapapansin nyo guys, running yung network dito. Pero, yung cross yung ginamit natin para makakuha tayo ng additional chest. And also, para lumabas din yung X-Zenny na token natin. Ngayon, pwede nating i-claim yung na-farm natin na X-Zenny here. Okay? And i-convert siya sa Zenny token. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, no? Ang equivalent nito is parang 2x Zenny. So, ayan, I understand the risk. One-way action. Okay, so lagay nyo lang ditong I understand the risk. Okay, kailangan yung i-type yan para ma-convert nyo siya. So, currently, ang conversion is 1x Zenny is equivalent to 0.0333 na Zenny. And then, ang minimum required amount nila is at least 10x Zenny. Okay, na malalabas. So, pasok naman yung sa atin, okay, kasi meron na tayong 60x Zenny dito. So, itatype nyo lang yung I understand. And the risk. Then, click nyo lang yung confirm. So, once it's confirmed, guys, dapat mag-a-appear na yung Zenny token nyo, guys, sa mismong wallet nyo. Okay, so, babalik tayo ulit sa cross wallet. Alright. So, ayan, maximum receive. Click nyo lang, cross mobile. And then, ngayon, since nandito na tayo sa ating cross wallet, guys, is ang gagawin nyo lang is, scan nyo lang to. So, click nyo yan, tapos scan nyo lang din to. And then, automatic na yan, magkakaroon ng approval dito sa inyong cross wallet. So, click nyo lang yung connect. Alright. And then, after that, receive nyo ulit. Click nyo ulit tong receive. Confirmation na lang yan, guys. And then, after ma-confirm, ayan, may lalabas ulit dito na transfer. So, nakalagay dyan. So, transaction completed. So, nandito na siya, guys. Available na siya sa wallet natin. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayo ditong 0.02 USD. So, going back to the game, guys, okay, kailangan lang natin na maglaro para mag-earn tayo nung X-Zenny na token na binibigay ni Ragmon. So basically, yun lang naman yung gameplay guys, and they currently have an event as well na let's say for example, nag-sign up kayo using the Cross Wallet, makakakuha kayo ng free na chest. So papakita ko rin yan dito after we finish this battle. Alright? So kung mapapansin nyo dito, mabilis lang din to guys kasi di naman na tayo kinontra nung kalaban. But usually kasi kinokontra nila yan. Kahit NPC guys, meron din silang mga times na kukontrahin nila yung strategy na ginagawa mo. Pero sa atin, ang strategy lang natin is just to avoid fighting them instead of fighting them directly kasi lugi tayo doon. Alright? But anyway, I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. And if in any case man guys, lagi ko naman paalala to na do your own research and be responsible with your own money as well. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood and alam nyo na, this is BM again and I'm out.